Welcome to another video from Math Micros. In today's video, we will have a look at one of a kind of trickier Class 5 Math Olympiad question that came in the year 2019. So without further delay, let's go. 3 water bottles X, Y, and Z contain 920 ml of water altogether. Bottle X contains twice as much water as bottle Y. Bottle Z contains 20 ml less water than bottle X. How much quantity of water is there in bottle Z? This question could be solved without algebra. Guess what? Yeah, using a Bohr model. So if you want to have a go on your own, pause the video, else let's continue together. Okay, as I said earlier, this method do not require an algebra method. So let's see how we can solve this. So before going to that, let's look at the key points. Here they say the bottle X contains twice as much water as bottle Y. So I'm going to represent X in the Bohr model and then Y and then Z. Okay, so as you can see, the Y, if I imagine the Y is this unit, this ml of water, okay, so which means the X should be double, right? So it should be like 2 units, 2 units, okay. Now, so as you can see, the X contains twice as much water as bottle Y. Now going to the key point, bottle Z contains 20 ml less water than bottle X. So what I'm going to do for bottle Z, I'm going to draw this. It has of course the same amount of bottle Y, and then it also has the amount of bottle X but 20 ml lesser, okay, 20 ml lesser. So it can also be said the bottle X has 20 ml more than bottle Z. So this is what I'm going to represent it as. Extra 20 ml is this. In order to solve this problem, we need to make sure that all the units are equal. So as you can see, I have imagined a 20 ml extra is being there. So to make this units equal, let's separate this 20 ml in each of the unit to make all the units equal. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to imagine a 20 ml here, okay, and again I'm going to imagine a 20 ml here in the Y, and same as in Z, okay. But when you go to this unit, you cannot imagine a 20 ml because it's already 20 ml lesser. So we can consider this to be equal, okay. So now we have represented this. We know that all the units are equal, and moreover we have an clue which says the XYZ contains 920 ml of water. Altogether it is 920 ml. 920 ml of water. So how are we going to solve this? So how many units are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 units are there, and what are the extras? There are 20, 40, 60 and 5 units and 80 will be equal to 920, okay. So what about 5 units? When you move the 80 to the other side, it will be 920 minus 80, which is 840, okay. So what is 1 unit? 1 unit will be 840 divided by 5, okay. So when you divide, we know 1 times 5 is 5 and the balance is 3. Okay, so it becomes 34, and 6 times 5 is 30, so balance is 4, and then it becomes 40. 8 times 5 is 40, so 168. So we found the value of 1 unit, which is 168. Each unit is 168. So each of the unit is 168. Now what is the question? They have asked how much quantity of water is there in bottle Z. So what I am going to do, bottle Z comprises 2 units, 1, 2 and then another 20. Okay, so let me find what is the ml of water in bottle Z. So it is 168, and there, since there are 2 units, it will be 168 and again another 168 and the extra 20, which when added together 356. That is the unit of water, that is the 356 ml of water is there in bottle Z. So when you go to bottle X, let's check out how much ml of water is there in bottle X. X has 2 units and an extra 20 and the 20, which is 40. 2 units together 168 and another 168 and the extra 20 and 20, which makes 40. Okay, so when you add together, has 376 ml of water. Okay, now let's move on to Y. Let's check out. Y has only 1 unit and the extra, that imaginary 20. Okay, Y, it is 168 and just the 20. So which when added is 188, right? Okay, so we can also check it out. See, they say X contains twice as much water as bottle Y. So when you double the bottle Y, which is 188, it is 376, right? 188 and another 188 is 376. Now also we can make sure that bottle Z contains 20 ml less water than bottle X. So what is bottle Z? It has 356 ml, which is 20 ml lesser than bottle X, which is 376 ml, right? And now the last one that we make sure is when all the X, Y and Z added together, it should come to 920. Okay, let's check it out that. So X is 376, right? And Y is 188 and the Z is 356. So 6 and 6, 12, 12 and 8 is 20, right? And the balance is 2. Now 8 and 2 is 10, 10 and 7, 17, 17 and 5 is 22. So balance is again 2. Okay. Now 3 and 2, 5, 5 and 1, 6, 6 and 3, 9. So we got this 920. Yeah. So the answer is right. So I hope it's easy to solve by this way using a bar model. Thank you.